Hi, we are the Kuhfelds. We are now in Hatteras, North Carolina, also known as the Outer Banks. We are staying in this beautiful 8-bed, 6-bath home featuring a pool as well as some kayaks for going out into the sound. Across the street is the ocean, about a 1-minute walk from the driveway. As you can see, there is 2 kayaks for everyone. There's an outdoor shower, a entry to the front at the bottom. There's also 5 other accesses throughout the house that you can enter, stay, and relax up on the balconies. There are 3 levels. As you can see here, this is one of the bedrooms with 4 beds. Can sleep comfortably up to 5 to 6 kids. There's a bathroom shared with another full-size bed, a rec room that goes out to the pool, another bathroom, full bathroom, another bedroom with a sound view. We're going to feature our way upstairs. As you can see, Kinsley's very excited. We're heading upstairs where the 3 girls have chosen their rooms. There's a washer and dryer. This is a queen bedroom with another bathroom, as well as access to the outdoor hot tub. It's a wraparound porch so you can get out on different levels. Here is another bedroom with another full bath, as well as a queen bed with another sound view and a hot tub for hanging out with friends and family. We're gonna head on up to the 3rd floor. There's another bedroom as well with 4 beds, another balcony outside, sound view heading up. We are going to go into the main living room with a massive dining room table, kitchen with a high chair, outdoor exit for the 3rd floor. It's a wraparound balcony for eating breakfast outside. As you can see here, you can see the ocean quite well with lots of seating. Going around to the other side, there is a grill and a bench table for eating. Look at that view. It's beautiful. It's like a 360-degree panoramic view of nothing but water. In the living room, it's high vaulted ceilings. The master bedroom is also upstairs with a very nice updated shower and a private bathroom. Very, very, very nice. We are very happy with this stay. Come along and follow us for more.